This video is about smelly urine. So what are the common causes of smelly urine and how we can reduce or prevent bad smell in the urine? In normal circumstances, urine has a distinct odor. It is mild and sometimes unnoticeable. But certain conditions, either medical or non-medical, may cause your urine to have an unusual or unpleasant odor, which may raise concerns about a problem or abnormality in the urinary tract or about general health. It can be sign of urinary tract infection or any infection or dehydration. Urine consists of water and waste products which are excreted by the kidney that cause odor. In normal renal functions or in normal kidney functions, there is no odor. If someone is drinking less water, so urine become concentrated, so less water in the concentrated urine and more ammonia. So this ammonia gives urine a bad smell. It is usually strong in nature. If someone is eating some food, for example, asparagus, so asparagus is also an important cause of smelly urine. So metabolites are the substances that are formed during digestion. So as the body excretes these metabolites into the urine, so then they cause urine to smell. Smelly urine could be due to some medications or supplements. If any cancer patient is receiving drugs for the treatment of cancer, urine could be smelly due to these cancerous drugs. If someone is taking higher vitamin B, thiamine, choline, urine can be smelly. Some antibiotics are also responsible for bad odor in the urine. For example, sulfonamides. Diabetic patients, they take medication to control their diabetes. Some medicines are also responsible for bad odor in the urine. Urinary tract infection, this is an important cause of smelly urine, cloudy urine. So please watch my video. I'll give a link about urinary tract infections. Then you will find out the signs and symptoms of urinary tract infections, how these are diagnosed, and what is the best possible treatment for urinary tract infections. So usually bacteria proliferate or multiply in the urethra, bladder and kidney and cause urinary tract infection. I like to give one specific example of one bacteria which causes urinary tract infection, and the infection due to that bacteria causes very bad smell in the urine. So the name of bacteria is Aerococcus. If someone is suffering with sexually transmitted infection, then urine becomes smelly as well. In females, if there is an infection of vagina, that is called as bacterial vaginosis, this bacterial infection causes a distinct fishy odor. And this fishy odor or fishy smell is worse after the sexual activity. So there are other signs and symptoms of bacterial vaginosis, for example, pain, itching, burning pain while passing urine, thin, watery, gray discharge. Diabetic patients, they also complain about smelly urine. If their sugar level is high, so usually smell is sweet. If uncontrolled diabetes or uncontrolled sugar, then also sweet smell. And their medications, as I mentioned earlier, they cause bad odor in the urine. Patients whose kidneys are not working properly or liver is not functioning properly, or someone is having kidney stones, their urine is smelly. Pregnant ladies, they also complain about smelly urine because of they are at risk of suffering with urinary tract infections. So I will give link about urinary tract infections in pregnancy. Please watch that video. So how we can reduce smell in the urine? So first of all, if this is due to urinary tract infection, so please see the doctor and get treatment and get rid of urinary tract infection, or if there is any other cause. If someone is suffering with diabetes, so see your doctor, and your sugar level must be within the normal range and control your diabetes. So avoid eating food that cause urine to smell, especially asparagus. So if any supplement that is responsible for smelly urine, please change that supplement. Drink plenty of water so that your urine would not be concentrated. Visit the bathroom as soon as the urge strikes. Manage your chronic medical conditions. Always seek advice from your doctor. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, write down in the comment and I will answer your query. Please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button, then you will receive all my latest videos. Thank you.